Hey everybody, Brian back with you at Strong Tower, and I'm a functional aging specialist and Z Health movement specialist. We're wrapping up our locomotion month series today with a banded bear crawl going forward and backward. So I'm going to bear crawl back to my band here, and what we want is the band attached a little bit lower and then anchored around the hips and pelvis again. So with my bear crawl, I'm going to go out this way so that I have space. You guys can still see hopefully in frame here. So again, anchored here. We've gone through the bear crawl before, but I'll walk you through it nice and slow. So we're going to start with the knees under the hips, hands underneath the shoulders in this 4-point stance. From there, I'm going to press the toes into the floor, so the bottom of the toes into the floor, and then come up on ball of foot. Once I'm set up ball of foot, I want to feel pain-free and stable there first, and if you are, then we can start to progress to the crawling version of this. So we're going to go ahead, set up again, and then come to opposite hand and foot forward. Then I'm pulling myself in a sense forward with that base or stance hand and foot. When we go backward, it's the same thing. We want to think about opposite sides moving together. So opposite arm and leg moving together. Go forward one more time, so right and left working together. Great for coordination. And opposite sides again on the way back, same thing. And I'm doing a little bit more of a push. So as I go backwards, I'm going to push off the floor with the hand especially. Great for working on stability in the hips and the shoulders. You're going to feel your abdomen and those connector muscles in between the hips and the shoulders working as well. And fantastic movement, again, for building strength and stability, but we're also going to get, if you go long enough with it, a nice adaptation for stamina or endurance as well. That's the banded bear crawl. Thanks for joining us for the Locomotion Month series, and we will see you in one of our next videos quite soon. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If this was helpful, please share it with a friend or family member as well. Thanks.